G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Home Brew. It is tasting time. It's tasting a Juice Bigalow NEIPA. Now it's a New England IPA, very, very hoppy. I made a couple of mistakes making it, but it turned out to be pretty good anyway. Don't mind me, it's a bit windy outside. I've got a fruit tree banging against the roof here at the moment. This one was donated by Michael Lead. Thank you, Michael. Cheers for that. I'll leave a link here for the video I made on this. It's a good video, you won't be disappointed. It's been 2 weeks since I did the grain to glass video, and today I want to taste it and give you my thoughts. I have Magnum in it as well as Mosaic. Now it was supposed to just be Mosaic, but it turned out to be both. Accidental, but it worked out really well. The smell is beautiful. It's got such a fruity, aromatic smell. It's got pineapple. I'm smelling. Oh, I'm smelling passion fruit. Sorry, there's a tree out there that looks like a passion fruit tree. Not much of the malt of the grains, but it doesn't matter. I want to drink this so bad. It's got a bit of a very citrusy. It's got a lot of orangey smell, lemony. Everything's just in there. It's just really throws out there. It's really, really nice, stinchy. And as you can see, nice and cloudy. It's been cold crashed, of course. It's been in the fridge for 2 weeks, aging in the fridge. And it's just coming out beautiful. I'm loving it. It smells great. It's about 6%, I believe. I'll put a little link there saying what percentage. I can't remember now. It's been a while since I made it. The carbonation is just spot on. Now, when I drink that, the flavour I get straight away is mango, stone fruit, and pineapple, big time. I'm also tasting, what is it? It's it looks like an orange, squash. It's called a. It's like a lemon and orange mixed together. What is that? People calling them mangoes, but they're not mangoes. When I was a kid, doesn't matter. It's citrusy anyway. Very strong in flavour, very, very rich in flavour, very drinkable, very, very nice. The after flavour, there's no real bad tastes in there. I'm tasting, getting it again, getting a little bit of the, what am I getting? Oh, cheers, wait, hang on. Every time I drink it, I can taste it, but I can't put my mouth on it, I can't put my name on it. It's got a bitterness to it, which is a bit of hop bitterness, as well as some of the end of boil hit bitterness. It is a really, really good craft beer. It's really nice. It's addictive. It's really, really good. Thank you, Michael. You've shared something really nice here. Cheers for that. The other fruit I was thinking of was grapefruit. Grapefruit is like a sour, lemony type fruit. That's definitely what I'm smelling. And I'm smelling malt now. That's coming through. There's no off flavours. It's just covered by all the hops. It is pleasant. It is a great drink to have. I think in a day or a week or two, it'll even mellow out more. But it's quite drinkable now. It's a really, really good recipe. If you guys are interested in recipes like this, I will leave a link down below and give you the link to the video that I have made making this. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for being a subscriber, and thank you for giving me your thumbs up. Really, really do appreciate it. Cheers guys, have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. New video coming up would be a wine video and another KegLand brew that I bought myself. It's a stout and it smells great. Cheers. We'll see you in the next one.